Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start English grammar. The chapter name is Basic Functions, Greetings, Introductions, etc. In this chapter, we will read about some etiquette words and sentences, how we will use these in day-to-day life. So come on the chapter from the starting page. When meeting people, when we especially we meet people, we use these terms: hello, hi. Hello is informal, hi is very informal. We use good morning till 12 noon. Afterward, on 12 noon we say noon also. On 12 o'clock we use good noon, and after that 12 to 6 o'clock we use here 5 o'clock we use good afternoon, and afterward we will use good evening till late night when we are going before the bed. And when we will go on the bed and we will meet last time, on that time we will use good night. Understand? So afterward we are coming here, good night will be used at the last time when we will not meet after that. So we will use good night on that. Afterward we are coming here when leaving people. When we leave people, on that time we use some terms here: goodbye, bye, bye. Often used by many children. We also use see you soon, see you later, see you tomorrow. So long, used when you don't expect to meet someone again for long time. Good night, used when parting for the night before going to bed. Understand? When you are going to bed, on that time we use good night. Understand? Afterward we are coming, the next topic is here, introduction. How to introduce others, we will know it here. Introducing other, and how to introduce others. Suppose that you are going to introduce other, you will say, Julie, do you know Mary? Mary, this is my friend Julie. Here you are introducing both of them. Come on the book, page number 5. Julie, do you know Mary? Here Julie, we suppose that the person who is saying that here, Julie, do you know Mary? Mary, this is my friend Julie. So in this way both of them will be acquainted to each other. Gopal, I don't think you have met Abdul. We are trying to make them acquainted each other, Gopal and Abdul, in this way. Rekha meet Mary. Suppose that I am telling Rekha meet Mary. In this way both of them will be introduced to each other. And how will you introduce yourself? How will you introduce yourself? So here it is given. Suppose that you are going to introduce someone, so you will tell, I don't think we have met before. I am Bhaskar Verma. Excuse me, my name is Bhaskar Verma. In this way, excuse me, my name is Gaurav Rai. Or in this way I can say that I don't think we have met before. I am myself Gaurav Rai. In this way you can also introduce. And how you will answer the answering and introduction, how you will answer when you are going to introduce other will answer, how we will know it here. Gopi, Kishore, do you know Rahim? This is my brother Kishore. Kishore, how do you do? Suppose that you are asking to someone, how do you do, how are you? So other person will reply also, I am fine. Suppose that you are telling Mary, Usha meet Grace. Usha, hello, hi Grace. Suppose that you are telling hi or anything you are asking. Suppose that here you are getting Mary, Usha meet Grace. Usha, hello, hi Grace. Hello, hi Usha. Hi is formal. Look here, Anil's meet Vinod. So we suppose that I am asking to you, how are you? Then you will ask, I am fine. You will reply that I am fine. Understand? Answering an introduction, suppose that hi, I am asking you hi, then you will also reply hi. Hello, then you will reply hello. Understand? So in this way we will reply to each other. Suppose that looks here Anil, Anil met Binod, pleased to meet you, the pleasure is. Starting a conversation with a stranger. Suppose that you are going to start a conversation with a stranger, and that time you have to use the term excuse me. Suppose that you are telling, excuse me, is there post office near here? Please excuse me asking, but have not we met somewhere before? Understand? I am sorry to trouble you, but could you tell me the way to the station? So the best way to introduce each other, we have to use the term excuse me. Understand? Excuse me. Suppose that we are going to start a conversation. Excuse me, I am telling here, is there any office? Excuse me, please. Excuse me, can you tell me about the post office? In this way you can use these terms. I am sorry to trouble you, but you please tell me, but you can tell me about the station. Where is the station? So in this way we can start a conversation with a stranger. Asking how someone is and saying how you. Suppose that you are asking someone how he is and how you are. So how you will reply, you have to know it. Suppose that you are asking to someone, hello Arun. So another person will also reply, hello, how are you? If you will ask the another person, how are you? Then the person will reply, fine, thank you, thanks, and the person will also ask to you and you. Afterward you will reply, good to see you again, how are you? Suppose that you are telling to other, good to see you again, how are you? The other will reply, very well, thank you, and you. And afterward you will say, okay. So suppose that you are asking to other, how are you feeling today, these days? Are you better? So are you better? And B is in poor health. Suppose that you are asking to someone about him, and the person will reply, how are you feeling today, these days? Are you better? And the other person is not feeling well. The person reply will come here, so not too bad. Understand? So in this way we will talk to each other. In the next video we will know about more. Thanks for watching the video.